YouTube. Today is my last video for 2019. In this video, I am going to show you how to recover permanently deleted files. If you accidentally deleted a file from your local hard drive, it will automatically be sent to your recycle bin and you can recover it from there. But if you deleted something from a flash drive, SD card, or a portable hard drive, it is permanently deleted, but you can recover them from an application. Here is an example. Now I will teach you how to recover it. Just follow my steps. There would be a link in a description to this website. You need to download GlarySoft and do the normal setup and install GlarySoft on your desktop. When you finished, open the application up. You should see 3 lined dots. Click the dots and select your destination on where you deleted your files from. In case it is my flash drive named example. Next, click on the search icon and it will search your permanently deleted files. Here is my background music. Click on the box next to it and click the restore button and then it will restore. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did find it helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and comment on the video if you need help for tech tips. Okay, bye.